Steve G's pointing at something over there for you.
I got lots.
Oh, you got stuff here?
I got lots.
You got lots?
I got lots.
Oh,
now this is
wow.
something that was my fault. I actually forgot about this last week.
Well, a lot of stuff turned up.
And I was really hoping by this week that I was actually going to get in there and open this one up.
This one specifically?
This one specifically.
Right.
Specifically.
Because this is a special colour, isn't it?
It's blue.
We haven't seen blue from Yokomo in a long time.
You won't see them again. Like, it's a limited edition. We had one opportunity.
Yes.
We got blue, purple, and red. These are the MD 2.0s. These are the latest drift chassis.
Flagship drift.
Flagship drift.
Yeah.
And Yokomo are probably more prolific in their drifting than anything at the moment. So they did a limited edition of these cars. You can't even get spare parts, the coloured spare parts for them.
Yeah, you can get spare parts, but if you need anything aluminium, you can't get the blue ones or whichever colour you get.
Yeah.
You can only get black ones as replacements.
That's right. So they're now blue, red, and purple. And funnily enough, and it's funny because I'm a kid of the purple era. Remember the Trinity screws and everything was all purple. Anyway, the purple one sold out immediately.
Yes.
And we've got a blue and a red one only left. So out of all the ones we got, that's all that's left. And I thought that this blue one here was going to go to a certain somebody.
This one?
Yeah, and I was hoping to get my dirty little fingers in there and have a ferret around, but it's not to be. I'm not going to open them on TV.
You've since washed your fingers, so they're clean fingers now.
Yes, but I'm not going to open them because these are very special. These are very exclusive.
That's right. They're collectibles, aren't they?
The person who's getting it is going to be so they are out. So if you are into drifting and you want something special, it's like a once in a lifetime thing.
El Primo
MD 2.0 coloured ones.
Yes. But that's not all, is it? I think you got other stuff. Oh, how good are these? The MS 1.0s.
Quick favour, TFG. Yeah. Go grab Nico's body from the shop for us.
So this is a brand new Yokomo 10-scale touring car.
This very body here.
Oh, that one there.
You know the one. MS 1.0, second shipment, selling fast.
So I saw these over in Japan when we were over there.
Yes.
And we hadn't even seen them in the flesh yet. But they're really a refinement on the BD12.
And they look simple. Simpler?
Simpler.
They're simpler, they're more basic, but they're proven to be tough and reliable.
Yes.
So they're not quite as finicky.
That's right. And easier to adjust for lower traction.
Keep their settings, and they've got a bigger tuning window. Have a look at this. We are very lucky to have in the studio, in the shop. So this one here, Nico Lee and Christopher Pratt.
Yes.
The two lead Yokomo drivers.
That's right.
Yeah, back in 2019, 2018, Nico Lee gave this to Hearns Hobbies, or Hobbies Yokomo Australia.
Yes.
As a thank you when he came and raced at AOC.
That's right.
So have a look at that. That's a bit of fame. Now, that is a good paint job, isn't it? Who paints this one, TFG?
I don't know who does Nico's stuff.
We'll have it here somewhere, wouldn't you?
Don't know.
Oh, they don't say that.
I can't answer it. But yeah, have a look at that. It's a cool body shell.
The colour contrast is really nice too, isn't it?
Do you think if I put this on the RS 1.0 for the Australian Nationals this year that anybody would notice? In 21.5?
Nico's racing. Where is he?
Oh, he's hitting the walls. No, I wouldn't do that to Nico.
Oh, you pretender.
He would never give us another body again. No,
it's
you
got
don't
an
run
old
other
school look
people's
to it,
bodies.
isn't it? This is like a 2000s, 2010 era type flame paint job
but
to
he
me.
still uses it now. And it's made it onto the box art.
Yeah, it's good.
And I love it. Anyway, I do love the new box art. And I do love the car.
Yes.
Yeah.
Look, not only is the car easy to set up and drive, it's actually at a really good price too.
And it works out of the box. No hot ups are needed. Actually, there's some hot ups coming out next week.
Yeah, so the hot ups are option parts if you want to play with them, but you don't need them.
Tuning stuff, yeah. Out of the box, kit setup.
Yeah.
Go, put it down, go fast. Simple as that.
That's
and
right.
it's really remarkable for Australian conditions. But there you go. Have a look at this.
What do you got now?
Have we looked at this before?
I don't think we have.
It still makes me laugh, the drift stuff and their setup.
I had the pleasure of driving
one of these.
An SD.
Oh, SD.
Yeah.
Was it like this?
What, the movement of it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Yes, it was set up like that. And it was at Yatabe Arena, or actually it's called
Scuba
RC Arena now, isn't it?
Scuba Steve.
I drove it around there and I got some tuition from their store manager.
I love that. So this is Yokomo's ready-to-run drift package. Now, I've probably had this on the show before, but it's back in stock again because they sell out every time. This comes with battery, charger, everything.
And it's got the gyro in it, right? So this is a true rear-wheel drive.
Rear-wheel drive. Comes painted, comes...
Look at the steering lock on this thing.
Massive amounts.
Yeah.
Steering rock.
Full rock. And it's fully adjustable as well. Let's take the cover off and take a look under the hood.
You're taking his jacket off.
Take a look under the hood. Pop the hood there. Oof.
There you go. So this is basically an RD, right?
I think it's I actually think it's a YD.
Okay.
But it does have the adjustable motor mount.
Yeah. So
fully adjustable gearing.
Swing that around.
Yep, adjustable gearing. Like you said, really extreme steering geometry to get that true drift.
Turnbuckles all the way around.
Turnbuckles for camber and toe adjustment, as well as Ackerman adjustments.
Yeah.
Roll center adjustments.
Yes.
Fully adjustable car, fully upgradable. So really cool. It's a really good way to get into drifting. And it's got what I strongly assume is a 27-turn single in there.
How good is it?
Really
Best
good.
way to start.
Yep.
And you end up with a drift car that is designed to drift very well.
Yes. So that is really cool. So, yeah, that's all I've got to say about that.
All right, okay.
That's it.
I mean, it is a simple vehicle, isn't it? It's just a really good,
it's a really good
way to start.
And you don't have to spend MD money to go drifting.
No, that's right.
Most people will end up doing that because that's the way drifter goes. Drifter guys are insane.
They love it.
Aren't they? They
love
absolutely love it.
All the good bits.
All the good bits, all the time.
That's right.
Not just the drift guys, we all do it.
That's true too. We all like the extra little...
The mayo.
The spicy bits.
The mayo.